So I took apart this 20-volt Dewalt chainsaw. It was cutting fine, and then all of a sudden it just quit. So it's probably about a year old or so, maybe a year and a half old. And I really enjoyed it. Works really good. Then it just stopped. I wanted to go through and make sure that it wasn't, you know, like one of the switches or safeties in it. So I took the whole thing apart, as you can see. If you're trying to take one of these apart, just a couple of things that you should know. You basically take out all the screws that you see in the sides, and then there are a number of screws actually in here, sort of under the cover. That would be where the blade goes. So you take all that out as well. You have to take the handle loose. It's got some long screws in that. And as you begin to take all this apart, you can loosen it up, take the two halves apart from each other. And then you end up with a big pile of parts. So, a couple of things here. Once you take it apart, all this will be laying in there. You got a couple pieces here. This is where the battery mounts, obviously. Then you got the trigger switch. So I was able to test that. That's the first thing that I tested. Threw the battery on there. You could test for power across this switch. That was fine. Then you'll see that a lot of people end up finding that this little safety switch is bad. I tested that as well. This was not bad, but if you're looking for this safety switch, it actually is up here in the front, and this is going to be on the safety handle up there in the front, and the bar lock, I guess. This is going to be behind the little oil canister. So if you need to get to that switch, you take the whole thing apart, get this oil canister out, and it mounts right in there. So that was good as well. And I was just trying to confirm that both of those were good before I ended up taking the rest of this apart. The controller is what's bad on this one, and there's no good way to replace this without it being almost the cost of a new saw. So we got the controller. That's what's bad on this one. No good way to replace that one on here without you buy the controller and the motor together, which is almost the price of a new saw. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to probably end up buying a new saw. And then you got the motor, and inside the motor, you basically got, you can see here, the little brushless motor. And then we've got the big gear here that's running all the way through and has the gear for the chain coming through on this one. So that's kind of how this is all put together. In this case, the motor is still good, the controller is bad, the switch is good, and the safety switch is good. So this controller is the culprit. So those are the things that you need to check. A lot of people find that that safety switch is bad. That safety switch is pretty easy to replace. And so if you have one of these saws, hopefully works a little bit better for you, but we have seen a lot of reviews where it's just working one day and it quits. So something to consider if you're picking up a Dewalt 20-volt chainsaw. Hope you have better luck, and hope one of those smaller problems, one of the switches or safeties, is one of your problems. Thanks for watching.